It's right there.
This is New York LX series. Guys, I've not seen this one before. They got the new hydro coil in there, guys. Got the New York micro channel today. Funny. Ductwork gone behind here. Up, sideways, and over there, guys. As you see, here's their connection. It goes up, and down over there. Into the York LX series. Don't know where they're gonna put the coil quite yet. On the filter. Don't know if they're doing the side panel or anything. That, guys, it's going right outside. Power vented. Goes right into. Well, I think the laundry room was here, or they're downstairs. It's 95.5, guys. Efficient. And as you guys can tell, it's a York LX series. Sauce machine, those are really fun. Guys, so the line set runs behind here and out and over there, but they're trying to strap the outtake and intake in so they can get their pressure tested. Get pressure tested. I may get some of this and maybe a bracing tart, but oh well, who knows. Who knows what they're gonna do with this. Yellow jacket bender right here, guys. This is a yellow jacket bender. Here's their torch, guys. Oxygen acetylene. All their couplings right here for PVC. And the furnace.
I appreciate that. Here, dust, apparently. There.
It's music in the morning every weekday from 6 to 10. 1.17 the cat.
Guys, see the old things going into the old beast. You guys know my last thread of the ring. The ring's dead.
Really?
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Steve, you got your video?
Yep. Just going outside now.
See you, bud.
See ya.
Is it still?
I'm taking this.
Did they tell you you can?
It's all right.
Oh.
It's copper.
Copper.
My head's concrete. Guys, so. Nice. Got something to remember the ring by. Also got something to remember the Gibson by. Yes, as you know, I told you the Gibson. There was a Gibson there, guys, and it had to be replaced with Goodman, which I was okay with at the time. And I'm only a fan of the York Infinity series now, guys. I'm pissed that they put micro channel, guys. I don't want to make his dad more upset and to go buy a train warehouse or something. Here's the Goodman. All running. Dryer vent. You can see that. You see, yeah, it's as filthy as heck. So 7/8, guys. Bigger than this unit. You guys can see. 7/8. Here's the York, guys. Here's those 410A digital manifold, guys. I don't want to actually mess it up, but it is a Yellow Jacket Titan. So we have to wire up the thermostat wires. Now, so let's compare this on the new unit. Guys, so this was on the indoor coil, as you saw. And there's that. They have the electrical hooked up. I don't know why they put that here, guys. That's extra little piece. There's what you guys cutting the pieces too. Oh. Watch this right there, guys. Now smack it with the cheap copper. Looks all empty, so we're all good, guys. That fits right into this copper. That's how Nate does. This isn't even a joint, guys, for copper. Come by and see if she's running later. Now come see the finished product, guys. So I'll stop there.